Hi and welcome to the video tour of this Coleman 250 TQ. This is a 2020 model. Currently it's hooked up right by the house. As you can see, it's in okay condition. There are a couple of scratches, everything minor. As you can see, structurally it's in good shape. All of the hitches and jacks are working properly. Now let's jump inside and see how it looks inside. You can also see here a little bit view of the awning. Now we're inside. Let's start this tour towards the back, where you have a nice set of recliners on this side, storage overhead, and right across you have your galley. Microwave, stove, oven, and a big sink, and the big refrigerator. All of them working properly. As you continue to move back, lots of lighting all around. These are freestanding closets, they're not attached. And you have your ramp, which you can see that currently has been sealed just to keep the heat out. As we move forward, we reach the middle part, or right by the entrance, where you have your bathroom. The bathroom has double access through the living area and the main bedroom. You can see a nice shower, very clean, your toilet and your vanity. We step out, you have the entrance to the main bedroom. Again, nice queen size bed, lots of lighting all around. See, the owner has the urinal manuals, and you have your access to the bathroom there. There's connections for a TV if you want to add it over there, and USB plugs on each side of the bed. If you have any questions about this unit, feel free to reach out. I hope you have enjoyed the tour and have a great day.